Good day, everyone. Um, you are now able to set default tax rates in your HubSpot portal that will automatically add a standard tax rate to your deals, quotes, invoices, payment links, and subscriptions whenever you add a line item. Now, why is this important? Because before you always had to manually add a one-time tax line to your quote or invoice over and over and over again. We couldn't standardize it, and we couldn't set a default tax rate either, which is a manual effort every time you need to create a document like that, and obviously it's prone to errors. So this is being changed now. This is live for everyone. So it's not a product beta. It's live for everyone. I'm going to show you in this video how this works. So first of all, let's set up the tax rates. So click on the little configuration item, as always. We go to the menu and we go all the way down to Tools and then to Commerce and to Tax. And you will find here two tax rates that I set up as an example, one of 21%, one of 9%. And right now you are able to define which one of these should be the default one. That will automatically be applied as soon as you add a line item to a deal, quote, invoice, etc. So the way to do that is to hover over the VAT that you set up, click on Action, and click on Set as Default Tax Rate. Now, let's keep this one for now as the default because 21% is used most of the time in our company. So the tax rates are set up. Now I can go to, for example, let's say we're going to create a quote. I'm going to create a quote. Let's take a deal, an old deal. I'm going to remove the line item that is in here because that's an old one. And I'm going to select a product from the product library, and you will see what happens. So I got a demo product here. I'm going to add it, and now it will automatically set the 21% VAT rate on this particular line item. And here in the subtotals, it will automatically add the one-time tax line, calculating the 21% over the unit price, over the total of the quote, basically. So the total contract value is €1,000, and then on top of that, you get the taxes. If I would add more, it will again apply the 21% over this product. If I would add another one, again 21%. Now I could decide to take it out, or I could say no, but the third line is 9%. So then it will calculate 9% over the €1,000 on this line item, but 21 and 21 over these two products, and it will do the final calculation here. For now, click Save. It will all show here on the quote. So you got the taxes here, the total amount due, including taxes, and you got the total contract value, which is all the costs excluding VAT, which you find here. And that's it. Same works for deals. If you add a line item to a deal, same applies. Same works for invoices. That should standardize the tax application to your quotes way more than it was before. So hopefully this is clear. If you have any questions, do reach out to us and we'll sort you out. Thanks.